when I say chili, you're probably thinking ground beef, chili peppers, a giant pot of red stuff, and maybe cooler temperatures. But with temperatures in the 90s today, we're going to skip it up a little bit. Jessica Crozier is here in the Price Chopper kitchen to show us a great recipe for white chicken chili. I'm so excited for white chicken chili because I love it, and it's pretty easy to make, I think, right?
It's really easy to make, and it's really yummy, and something a little bit different than your traditional, you know, tomato-based or beef chili.
Well, let's jump right in and get started.
Sure. So the key to this, to making it super simple, is instead of grabbing chicken to bake or roast or fry at home yourself, grab a rotisserie chicken from Price Chopper.
So simple and easy.
It already cooked, already ready to go in a little container like that. There's different flavors. This is salt and pepper. There's also like barbecue or smoked.
You have like the lemon,
lemon
garlic or something. Yeah,
definitely. Okay. So I've already shredded one up. So that's the biggest step.
That's the biggest, the biggest task.
The chicken from the rotisserie, and then it's really simple. You start by sauteing a medium onion with some garlic powder, and once that's, you can smell it right now, right?
It is very delightful in here. I'm a big fan of onions, and now some people don't like them a lot because they can be strong, but I like onions a lot, especially sauteing it in the house. Smells really good, and with a little bit of garlic.
Yeah, definitely. You could use fresh garlic if you want. We're using powdered, but saute it up so they start to get a little caramely, and then we're gonna start throwing everything else in.
All right, while you're doing that, I'll ask a couple other questions here. Now, can we use different chicken other than rotisserie chicken? Like if we went ahead, let's just say I cooked up some chicken thighs or some chicken breasts here the other day, and I just wanted to shred those up or cut them up and use them. Is that okay too?
Yeah, you could definitely bake or cook your own chicken. If you have leftover chicken from a meal, you can use that. You could use canned chicken. Just like with the instructions for this recipe, I would make sure it was cooked before you put it in.
Sure,
That's really the only
So use cooked chicken, basically.
Yes, use cooked chicken.
We have some green chilies there?
Yeah, so we've got great northern beans, chicken broth, green chilies that you can just get in the can, all of the chicken. It makes a pretty big pot.
Yeah.
So
now, what do you?
You're hungry or have a big family.
I see some. Is this like just cream here? Is that what really gives it that white chicken chili or the white part of the chili?
Yeah, definitely. So once we have, we're gonna throw everything in except for heavy whipping cream and sour cream, and we're gonna let it simmer and get really congealed for about half an hour minimum.
Yeah.
And then once you're ready to serve it, and it's nice and been simmering for a while, then throw that in, let it warm up together a little bit, and then serve it. So you can add that just right before you serve it.
So 30 minutes minimum on simmering, but do you put extra broth or extra water? Let's just say I want to have it simmering all day. Would you put extra stuff in there to let it go all day?
You could do this in a slow cooker as well instead of on the stovetop. And then with a lid, it's going to keep that moisture in, so you don't have to worry as much about the burn off. But yeah, if you were going to have it cooking for longer than half an hour or so, or an hour, I would definitely put in either water or a little bit more broth.
No, we're a big fan of starting the chili in the morning during the football games, letting it go all afternoon, and then at dinner time, your chicken's all ready and your chili's ready to go. So, okay, so we've got it all simmered up here. We're ready to go now. First off, can I just compliment your plating? Because that looks fantastic. And my plating never looks that good. I always try,
It's a lot different when you're trying to show it off than, ready to dig in.
Well, even at here, let me tilt this up here so you can see it. Look at this. This looks fantastic. I don't want to tilt it up so it spills all over, but she's got the cheese, she's got the jalapenos, she's got the lime. Oh my goodness, it's so good.
So we topped it with a little bit of shredded pepper jack to go with the white chili theme, and some fresh jalapeno instead of pickled or canned, and a little bit of lime. I mean, you can dress it up however you want.
You can tell it's the fresh jalapeno too, because it's so green and colorful.
I love that fresh taste.
And it looks great too. So, well, those are some great tips. We appreciate it. Now, also one quick question: did you put any really good spices in there?
We put a little bit of cayenne.
A little cayenne pepper.
Yeah. So.
And the chili powder too.
Yeah, we have a whole bunch of different seasonings, but cumin.
For more great ideas and fresh dish recipes, make sure you visit mypricechopper.com. You can also find demo videos to get extra how-to help.